Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how to make Maggi samosa or Maggi spring roll. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So here I have taken 3 Maggi atta noodles. You can use normal Maggi and I have boiled it. To boil it, you have to take water and to that you add salt and add oil and then boil the noodles. And make sure after boiling the noodles you wash it with plain water. Then I have taken 1 carrot finely chopped, 1 capsicum finely chopped, medium size onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. I have taken oil, I have taken salt and I have taken ajwain. And here I have taken 3 cups of maida and I have used the Maggi masala powder. So let's get started. So let's make the dough first. To make the dough we take the maida. To this we add in salt as per taste. We crush the ajwain a bit and then we add it in the dough. Now mix it well. Now to this we add in 3 tablespoons of oil. Give it a mix and make the dough by using water. Mix those ingredients well before adding the water. So this is how it looks. Just look at it. This is how it should look. Mix it very properly. Now to this we add in water and we make the dough. Add in little water to make the dough. So now the dough is ready. Now we have to keep it for rest for the time we are making the filling. So let's keep it for rest. We have to make the fillings. So to make the filling, we add in oil to the pan. I'm taking around 2 tablespoons of oil. Keep it at a medium flame. Now to this oil, we add in the onions. We add in the capsicum and the carrot. Saute the vegetables for a few minutes. Now increase the flame to high flame, from medium to high. Saute the vegetables properly. Keep it at a high flame. Now to this we are adding salt. Make sure that you are adding salt just for the vegetables because salt has already been added to the Maggi. So I've added salt as per taste. Now to this we add in the red chili powder. You can increase or decrease the chili powder as per the spice. As per the amount of spiciness you like. Now to this we add in the Maggi masala powder. Here I have used atta noodles. You can use the normal Maggi also. It will give the same flavors as this atta noodles would give, but atta noodles is a bit more healthy than the normal Maggi, so I'm using atta noodles here. Give it a good mix. Now to these vegetables I'm adding just little of oil, around 2 to 2 tablespoons of water. Adding some water to this. Now to this we add in the noodles. If the noodles are not mixing properly, then you can add in little amount of water. Make sure you add in very little amount of water just so that it is able to get mixed up properly. So our noodles, our fillings is almost ready. So now we have to make in the spring rolls or the samosa shapes to insert the fillings. So we cut the dough like this. Yeah, so now we have to make the shape of the samosa to add in the fillings. So to make the shape, make it in a shape of cylinder. Make the small piece of dough in shape of cylinder. Now this we are going to cut it into 2 equal halves. Take the one half of it. Now we apply water to the edges and we make it in a cone shape. We apply water so that the filling doesn't comes out. Now to this again we apply waters at the edges and now we seal it in such a manner. See, this is how we have sealed it and the samosa is ready. Make sure you apply the water properly so that the fillings doesn't come out when you are deep frying it. Now similarly we make the other samosas too. We apply the water at the edge of it, one edge of it, and then we make it in a cone shape. Now to this we add in the filling and then on the top again we apply water to it and we make it in a shape of samosa. Now we can make it in a shape of spring roll also. Making that is also very simple. Made the dough. Now we will cut it in shape of a rectangle. Now to this we add in the filling in the middle. Now we fold it from the sides. Now we roll it and we apply water to the edge of it to seal it. So now our spring roll is also ready. You can see how it looks. So now it's ready to deep fry. The oil we have added in the samosa and the spring roll. Make sure that the oil is at medium flame. Samosas and spring rolls are ready. Make sure you fry it at a medium flame. Don't make it too high. Make sure it is medium, or even if it is less than that, it's fine. It looks very yummy and delicious. You can see the color, it's golden color. It's ready to be served now. Rolls and samosas are ready to be served. It's really yummy and really delicious, and you can make it in a very quick time. So this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification.